Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today I am coming on to do a recipe that I promised that I would do from my Trader Joe's my summer favorites haul. So the recipe is a loaded vegan nacho dip. So I'm sure it's gonna be really good. So let's get started. This is the vegan dip right here. And I just want to heat it up just a little bit. But I tasted it and it is very tasty. I want to say I'm a little surprised. But it's good. It's cashew based and it's really creamy. So now I'm gonna start. I'm gonna turn on my eye and I'm gonna use a little bit of the, well, that was more than a little bit, but I'm gonna use the, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's avocado spray that I got from Trader Joe's the other day. And then I'm gonna use, this is a half a cup of beans, and just put those in and just heat them up just a little bit. They don't need to be cooked too much. And then also I'm going to do a teaspoon of the Trader Joe's taco seasoning mix. And that's it right there. Seems like a lot, but maybe we'll just, we'll just stop right there. I made a mess. And then just kind of stir it around. I may in fact add just a little bit more beans because I actually like black beans, and the recipe is, it calls for you to use the whole pack of the, it calls for you to use the whole pack of the nacho dip. So I am making a true mess over here, guys. So I just might in fact go ahead and use more beans. I am going to throw in a few more beans, because like I said, I really like beans, and I like for my nachos, I need another spoon, I like for my nachos to be kind of hearty. And with all of that, with all the dip, I just feel like I would want a few more beans to it. And then it's just going to heat up, and then once it's heated up, then I'll come back and I'll show you guys the finished product. But that's really it, guys. It's really simple, it's really fast, and I love those type of recipes, so I hope you guys do too. So I'll be back in just a minute. All right. Hey guys, I did want to come back on and let you know that I did add more beans, more than I did the last time. I'm going to do a little salt and a little pepper. My beans are still warming up, and then the nacho dip was not getting warm all that well, so I put a lid on it. So yeah, I'm just warming it up just a little bit more, but I'll show you guys just how creamy it is. It's warming very nicely. I don't know if you can see that all that well because of my camera angle. Let me turn. Okay, so yeah, that's the sauce. It's really creamy, or the nacho dip, not sauce. And then I'm gonna put everything together. Sorry for all the noise. And then I will come back in just a moment. All right, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this together. So instead of just making it kind of more like a bowler dip, I'm gonna kind of do it this way and put the nachos on. And then put the dip on. Some beans on. Actually, let me grab another spoon, because this spoon is dirty. I'm just taking my beans on and just sprinkling them. And now I am going to do the Pico de Gallo. Just sprinkle it over this. It's like a fourth a cup of Pico. And that's a little less beans probably than a half a cup. But I was just doing like a single serving size so you guys could see it. And then I'm gonna use a little cilantro. Use a little bit more, because I also like cilantro. And that is the finished project, guys. I'm all done. So that is it. Oops. So that is it, and that's just a serving size. So I mean, you guys can do the dip if you like, but I just wanted to do it this way because I don't necessarily like dipping in and out of, I don't like a community bowl, so that's why I did it this way. But yeah, it is going to be delicious. Actually, I'll taste it for you guys. It is good. Yeah, I really like it, and I'll definitely be making it and purchasing it again. With the different, sometimes vegan options, there's like aftertaste, or it's just not creamy, or it's not good, but this is good. I like it. So subscribe to see more beauty, hair, and lifestyle content every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment below if you're going to try this recipe. Stay healthy and happy, and remember to keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye, guys.